Hey guys, welcome to this channel. Please subscribe on your notification bell, like this video, and comment your opinion on what you feel about this video. Thank you very much. Stay tuned.
Large and loud absence of our colleague. Like the president mentioned in our closed session, we have been able at one time or other to get in touch with her. I have been speaking with her until her illness became quite protracted. May her soul rest in peace. Mr. President, my highly respected and distinguished colleagues, mine has been in the last.
Thank you for watching that video. Please don't forget to subscribe on your notification bell, comment your opinion, like this video please, and follow me on my social media handles. Instagram is Jolly Choco 1 and Twitter is Jolly Choco. Facebook is Jolly Choco 1. Please don't forget, I'm going to be replying you guys on the comment section, so drop your comment what you feel about this video. Thank you. Stay tuned.